Okay, so before I show you the clip of my haul, please look at the comps coming up. Thanks. Okay, really quick, before we go to the library to study, we're gonna go hit the Burlington Coat Factory to go look for these shoes I saw over the weekend that I'm hoping are on sale. Stay tuned. Okay, so on Saturday when I came here, the shoes that I'm looking for were $49.99. I'm pretty sure it was here at Burlington. And today is Tuesday, March 13th, and we're gonna see if they put them on sale. So I'll let you guys know. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm leaving Burlington. They didn't end up having the shoes that I wanted on sale. Actually, one of the pairs is gone also, so I just picked up 2 other pairs. We'll see how they do. One has a comparable price of $120 and it was like 35 bucks, so I figure why not take the risk, right? But we'll see how it goes. And then the other one was $29.99 with a comparable price of about $60, which is like half price. So I think that's pretty decent. I'm just getting ready now to go take off to go study. My receipt actually says that I have 30 days to return the stuff. So what I'll do is I will list them tonight. Try to have the best keywords, put them on there. Actually, let me show you in the video really quick. So first pair is these Reeboks. They're really cool running shoes with a pump. And they're really nice, clean, great condition, amazing shoe, nice and light, so I'm sure a woman will want to buy it. Bought them for $34.99, comparable $120. So we'll see how that goes. The other one is a Nike pair, Bam. And so these are pretty classic. I feel like I see a lot of people buy these all the time. Very nice shoes. They're both a size 6, so we'll see how fast they'll go. So I'll list them tonight, put them on, great keywords. And then if they sell within 30 days, then we're good. If they don't sell within 30 days, maybe I'll bring them back. But I don't really like to bring stuff back, and I still think that if I wait that they will sell. But you never know. We'll see how I feel about it later on. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please comment below, like, subscribe. I gotta get out of here and go do some homework. Bye.